I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she.
So, obviously, this is the entranceway. Let me shut it. This is the entrance. Turn these lights on. Let me take this off. So, when you first come in, this is the bathroom right here. This is where I'm going to be getting ready at. So, you know, it's a little clutter. Then, after you come out here, obviously, when you come to the left, it's stairs right here. You come to more, and then this is the living room area. You know, just something really simple. We haven't really been in here at all. I really like this light right here. It's really pretty. I like that little accent piece. Then once you come along this way, you'll see the table. Cut down the table, which again, you know, we haven't used. Then come out this way to the backyard. First of all, if you don't like bugs, like I don't like bugs, you can screen the door in. And that's really good because these bugs out here, there we go. Not the rug, trying to get in the video, honey. And so when you come on this side, you could pull it up to show the outside. You see that one is already rolled up. So then come along. You have my mama in the chair, the little handy little chair. And then we have a backyard back here. It's really pretty. Over here we have a grill, which none of us know how to grill, so it's just there. But this is where we've been taking most of our pictures at. This little area. Okay, so now let me show you the kitchen. Come on. This area right here. Don't y'all. I broke the glass and I cut my toe. But this area is like a little bar area. We haven't used it. We should probably use it. Over here is just, you know, a laundry room. Nothing major. And then this is the kitchen area. The kitchen is really pretty. It's really pretty. I think this is like a gas stove, because they don't give electric. But nevertheless, this is the kitchen. Pantry. I like this storage. I really like the storage and stuff. Then the fridge. Okay. This is the fridge. Obviously we have stuff. You want your strawberry shake? Well, this is the fridge. I really like it. It's cute. It ain't white.
And it has a white refrigerator. I was like, oh, not a white refrigerator. Girl, please put your shoes on. Let's go find you a home.
We can head upstairs. Okay. So now we can start with our room where we can stand at. In this room, we got this on the bathroom because it's the master bedroom. You know, excuse the mess. We're on deck 3. But over here to the side, you'll see the air conditioner at the top and the bedside table. We're charging our phones. Then you'll see the bed and another bedside table. And just like downstairs, upstairs has a little pull-up window too, where you can see, get some light in. That's really pretty light. Okay, then we have our own little couch and our own TV. Okay, I'm gonna shut this for you. So on this way, you come in, you'll see our clothes display. Those are my night clothes at the top. My tripod for content, dresses, dirty clothes, clothes I've worn, more to come, clothes, you know, clothes out here. So, and then we have her shoes and her outfits along this way over here. You see, this is our bathroom again, very dirty, but it's okay. You don't really need to see us in. You can come show the shower though, because the shower's pretty. This is our shower. The water comes out from the top, and it's just really pretty. Like, go in there a little bit. You can just come along because, you know, we're about to go. So you can just come along. This is another bedroom that nobody's using. It's just an extra one. You can go in a little bit. Show this stuff inside. Then when you come this way down directly in front of our room, we have another room that my mom's been staying in. She has her own TV, everything. That's my dress at the bottom right there that I'm wearing somewhere, but I need my mama to iron it, because period. And you know, she has her stuff laid out as well, and the drawers and all. And this room is my cousin's room. She's standing here. Her room is a little spacious too. TV, outfits on the. And this is the is my view of my cousin's room. Period. I did not know that. Okay. So you can just follow me this way. You'll see my cousin right here. Same shower view, just a little smaller. She got her makeup. Okay. And then so I think that wraps up the little mini house tour. Y'all like this? I'll link it down in the box if y'all want to know if y'all ever travel in Cancun. But it's currently 11:15. We got a reservation at 12 to swim with the dolphins. It's 30 minutes away, so we gotta go. So I'm gonna see y'all on the way there. That man tried you, Mom. We're getting checked in right now to go swim with the dolphins. And period. I wish I could record. Like, I wish I had a camera, a GoPro, waterproof camera. But I'm gonna try to show y'all a little, bits and clips and pieces of it because I want y'all to see. Period. Is the hat given? I think the hat is given. Because it is purr.
You need
Oh yeah,
two?
we gotta. Yes.
You can take another one.
Okay, thank you. We have to put our stuff up.
The necklace.
So I'm gonna talk to y'all when we get back.
Yes.
Oh my ankle.
That's small. That's good.
What about this?
Yes, you need to
Yeah.
leave. Yes.
Okay.
You need to leave.
What about this?
As well.
Dang. Okay. I'll be back once we finish, y'all. Y'all, we just got back from the Dolphins. They was taking pictures and they was recording. So I'm gonna try to buy that footage so y'all can see us do that because I want that footage because I love dolphins. That's my
I love my ability.
Like, Cenote, what's that thing? Okay, step. Okay, step. Don't forget to touch your step. I'm just dead. Y'all, we just finished riding the Dolphins. I rate that BMS, broke my scale, best birthday ever. That's what I say. What y'all say?
Most stuff.
Ma. Number 10. Shania.
Good morning.
Not 100. Hey, Roro.
Hi,
Yes, do you want to be in my camera? This is Roro.
Thank you for coming.
Have a good
We
one.
had a good experience.
We did.
Bye bye.
That was our instructor, y'all. It was so much fun. We're about to go now to see our pictures and how much they taxing for them because we finna get them. And the video footage, they was recording on a camcorder and I'm gonna try to see if I can get that so I can put it in this vlog and show y'all. And plus I just want it for my memories. But yeah, so we just finished. Everybody's getting dressed, everybody's getting ready. And then yeah, we're finna head out. So good news, y'all. We got to buy our footage, the camcorder footage, and our pictures from the Dolphin excursion little activity. So right now, without further ado, I hope y'all enjoy our clips from the Dolphins. If y'all never swam with dolphins, rode dolphins, none of that, y'all gotta go do that because as you seen, it was fun and it was really cute. And hi. And I already loved dolphins before, and now I just love them even. But now we're about to go find something to eat, and it's time to go parasailing. So we have to go by there and see if it's a restaurant close by. So yeah, stay tuned.
Everybody look at the screen, everybody attention for the screen.
You like that, huh?
This is a special video for all of you.
Let me see her. Mom, let me see her. Show them mine. You show them? No, show my face. Let me see. Legs, let me see. Move the bottle.
He's not out of the woods yet. See now, this is but not stirred. Brad absolutely loves this man.
Is this the one you're gonna do this?
Preparadas, señoritas, de ready ladies, amigos. Y yo digo, ¡avance! ¡Three, go! ¡Go, go, 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 go! ¡Toda, toda, 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 toda! ¡Vamos, vamos, se puede!
Y'all, I'm so drunk. I'm so drunk and finna go get in the water for Parasailing. And I'm so drunk. YOLO. Y'all, I'm drunk. Like, so drunk. But y'all, I'm so drunk. I'm about to go in there for Parasailing. I just can't even focus right now. I can't even look straight right now. I haven't posted no pictures. I need to go post some pictures because my fans are waiting. Are you have anything to say?
No, I didn't even know I was saying it.
Yeah, you all the way in it. Look at it. Just lay back.
Breathe through your nose.
Bend over.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Come on.
Ya tengo sí, pero.
birthday to the fucking Virgos. All the motherfucking Virgos around the motherfucking world. Y'all the baddest motherfucking bitches. Because it's Virgo way or no motherfucking way, bitch. Period. Motherfucking Virgos run the motherfucking world. And that's just that on it. Fuck Capricorn. And so that's just that on top of motherfucking that. Fucking live life, breathe air. Cause I know somehow we're gonna get there. Period. Mwah. Y'all, we currently at the beach, you know, just chilling. It's 6/17, September 18th, and you know, we just vibing, just chilling. Dinner tonight is gonna be at a restaurant called Extreme. We gotta find it because we tried to find it earlier and we couldn't even find it, y'all. But we're just at the beach right now, just chilling. Y'all probably hear the waves. We just catching the vibe. Look at the little girl right there. He's here.
Like a special moment without no more.
Today is day 3 of the trip. And I will give it a, out of 1 through 10, I'll give it definitely a 8.5. I love Mexico. The first day was really like, it wasn't nothing because we was traveling. We was really jet lagged. We was up since midnight the day before traveling. You know, just traveling all day. But this has been a really good trip. A good mix between turn up and relaxing. But let me show y'all the beach. The water is so blue. The water is so blue. The water is so pretty. Y'all never been, I definitely recommend y'all take a trip here. It's still there. There you go. Oh my god. Legs. Big thing, everything goddamn picture.
Y'all, it's currently 10:30 on the 19th, and y'all, so much is going on. Look at this. Why? So much is going on. I am Airbnb man. That's the Airbnb from hell. I need to hurry up and get dressed because we finna leave this Airbnb and go to another one or get a hotel or something. But we have an excursion booked at 12. We gotta arrive there 30 minutes before, which is 11:30. It's currently 10:30 and it's 20 minutes away. You know, we need to be out of here and packed by 11 o'clock and it's 11:31. Let me just get straight into the video, y'all. So, let me just get straight to the story time. So basically, before we even came, he was being a bitch to me. But, you know, I was just letting it ride because, you know, maybe I was tripping. But since we got here, y'all, it has been bugs literally everywhere. And when I say bugs, I mean like ants. Like, all in the bed with us, all by our food, all by our feet, like everywhere. As soon as we came in, every time we get on our bed, we had to like brush it off so we won't be sleeping with ants. And then when I woke up this morning, I still was sleeping with ants. And so that really pissed me off. So I asked him about that. This man gonna tell me basically, you picked the Airbnb, not a hotel, so basically deal with it. And I'm like, I'm aware I picked the Airbnb, but in no way or form did I pick an Airbnb to have ant problems. So basically he told me to go buy something, go buy some pesticide to get rid of the ants. And I'm like, what are you talking about? Like, bro, what? Like, he just kept trying to make excuses and it wasn't given. So then the hot water wasn't working, y'all. I asked him, can you come fix the hot water? Because the hot water not working. Why would we want to take cold showers? This man gonna tell us that he gonna have his plumber person come over. Y'all, his plumber came over one morning and it was like 9 a.m. in the morning. He didn't give nobody no let's put my contacts in. He didn't give nobody a warning or nothing. Not I'm gonna come here or nothing. He just came downstairs and started fixing the thing. Like, yeah, we wanted you to fix it, but we all girls in here. Why would you not make it like? Why would you not announce yourself? They say, hey, I'm about to come in, or is it fine if I come in? Like, that's very like unprofessional. So I wasn't messing with that either. Y'all, the man came and fixed the boiler. The hot water still don't work. Like, it makes no sense. Hold on. All right. I got my contacts in, so let me continue the story. So he didn't even make himself announce that he was coming in, and nevertheless, he came in anyway. Y'all, why is the hot water still not working? Why are we showering in cold water on a vacation in Mexico, in Cancun? That don't make no sense. So then, on top of that, y'all, I'm telling him this. He giving me an attitude, like, straight attitude, like, and I'm not understanding because what you mad at me for? He talking about some he don't like guests like me, the kind that's always complaining. But it's just like, why did you expect me to live for almost a week, 5 days, in this kind of condition? Like, that makes zero sense to me. And then on top of that, y'all, when he came in, he didn't provide any rags for us to shower. He only provided 3 towels. He didn't provide a trash can. He didn't provide tissue. What else he didn't provide? Paper towels. And beforehand, you know what, that's all fine and dandy because like he said, it's in the hotel. But you should have let that know on your website. If we're traveling international from Georgia to Mexico, why would you not let us know that? Like, that's so. And then on top of that, y'all, we didn't have a car, so we was just gonna be Ubering everywhere. He offered us to let us use his car because he said he had more than one. So we was like, okay, cool. How much? He was like $45 a day. We was like, all right, I ain't tripping about it. We'll do it. And we told him we wanted it for all the days he was gonna be here. Why he texted me today, basically saying that he not renting us his car no more. He want his car back because we keep complaining and we always got a problem with something. But we didn't even say nothing about the car. We had said something about the bugs and the hot water not working. So basically, he trying to come. He told us, basically, find a way to get a car, like make it work, type stuff like that. And I'm like, bro, like, you're so unprofessional. How are you mad that we want to tell you something and something about your house and you're not even trying to fix it? You're just trying to argue. Like, what you arguing for? So I had to reach out to Airbnb. I have to send the documentations over to these people so I can get a refund and so I can get a new Airbnb and, you know, everything. And it's just so much going on. And plus trying to make the excursion today. It's just so much going on. And I have to hurry up and do my makeup. I'm so annoyed. Because I just feel like, what in the world? I feel like that was very unprofessional. Because who do stuff like that? And he just kept trying to make comments like this isn't a hotel. You knew you was going out of the country. You were going to see unusual bugs, blah, blah, blah. Ain't nothing unusual about ants. Like, but the only thing that's unusual is ants being in the bed with you. Why is ants in the bed? Like, when we first came, we was like, all right, we ain't going to trip along in. We see ants or whatever, but we just going to kill them or whatever. Y'all, every day we wake up, we have been killing ants. It's no reason every day we wake up, we should be killing ants. That's like very unacceptable. And I feel like it's just big hell on me. So now we have to pack up everything. On top of rushing. We have to pack everything because we're going to a new place. We have to find a new place and all, y'all. We need to be out of here at 11 o'clock with our stuff packed and ready for the excursion today. It's just so much going on. I just had to get on this camera and tell y'all what was going on because this don't make no sense at all. Before we even got here, he was, like I said, he was giving me attitude. So I've been trying like consecutively, trying to find a new Airbnb to stay at before we even got here. Y'all, and he wouldn't even give me my money back. So he basically forced me to stay here. So I'm thinking, okay, cool. He done turned over a new leaf because when we got here, he wasn't tripping or nothing. He was very nice as soon as we got here. So I'm like, oh, maybe he was just going through something. And he had apologized to me before we came and all. But honey, his true colors are showing now, and it's the same ones that he showed me before I even came. But he wouldn't let me cancel.
So y'all, we made it on time to the excursion, the little sailing experience, and we got checked out of the Airbnb. I'm still waiting to send them all the proof so I can get my refund and get another Airbnb. But yeah, I don't think I like it like this. How was it? Fun. They had little statues at the bottom with peace signs on them.
Really?
And like a circle.
How was it, Shania?
It was fun. Soft.
You said Sex on the Beach and Paloma.
Paloma and Sex on the Beach.
Oh, you're Paloma, right?
So y'all, we just got off of the little boat for the sailing experience. Now we had the island it took us to. We finna eat, we finna drink, we finna have a good time. We done had drinks on the boat because they had an open bar. And yeah, I'm hungry as always. So stay tuned.
Paloma.
Oh, you're Paloma, right?
Yeah.
Sex on the Beach?
Me. Oh.
You are the mommy Sex on the Beach, right?
Yeah.
So you're Okay, you need something? Margarita? You're right. Margarita.
Good. Bueno.
Bueno.
Sí.
What you say, Lexi?
Kiara. Ay, mi. Butista. Es bueno. Toca. We love you. Oh,
So sad. Shifa! It's her birthday. Thank you. I love your hair.